Yes, a lot of people are confused when it comes to checking trademark either on Amazon or anywhere. So in this video, I'm going to show you the gentle way or what and what you should know about trademark. Because some people don't even know what is class of trade and all the related stuff. Some would say this book is on class 10. Can I go ahead? This one is on class 14, 41, 16, 21 and all this. It is not difficult to check. So if you're an Amazon publisher, let me go straight to the website, amazon.com for instance. Now from this amazon.com, you can see from here, let's say we come here, you're searching for a particular book called Love Book, because I know this is going to be a great search. So when I hit on Love Book, a lot of books have come. Now, some people will say, sir, there are a lot of books on the internet that talks about Love Book. Yes, the truth there is number one rules about Amazon is you don't have the right to use anybody title. You don't have the right to use anybody's title. Yes. Then the second one is, what if there is a company in this place that is making a particular book, like you decide to use something like love as a name. What if it is trademarked? How will you know that this belongs to a company that have been registered? How do you check for all this? Now that is where this question comes. Now if I come to this place, maybe I'm looking for something called love. I'm going to hit on love. Enter, because I know this will be trademarked for one or two reasons, depending on what we see. This website is called Trademarkia.com. If I pronounce it well, all the best, but let's just listen to what I'm about to say. Now, this is taking time to figure out because I think this is a whole lot of search result. Now, from here, you can see we have this one called love. That means you can't even use this as a name on Amazon because it is even carried by somebody called Love. Immediately you use it, your book will be blocked. Or if Amazon feel like pampering you, they might send you a message and tell you, we'll block your book. We've seen some you're trying to confuse our customers and some other stuff depending on the grammar they send to you. And you see, so you can't use this thing called love. Yes. From here, we're going to move down and see from here about class. Number one, if there's no name like this on Amazon and you want to write about it, what you will know is this is class 25. It's registered, but if it's not on Amazon, you can write book on this. This is on 25. You have to scroll down again, class 14. This belongs to the class of jewelries product. Class 25 belongs to clothing product. You can see this from here. Then class 25 and class 41. This belongs to educational and entertainment service and clothing product. Then this one is live and registered. But now listen, this is the main thing here. Class 16, 1-6 is something you must never write about because it belongs to paper goods and printed materials. What that means is people already has a name on it called love. I believe you now understand how all this works, but we're going to check another website so that we can confirm this and see if this and this, they are on both places. So now you can see love. So the best thing I do is to just scroll down till I get the very end. Some people will say it's much. Patiently just scroll down like this and keep on scrolling. Love is a very big name. I wonder who wants to just go for that. You see a lot of people have registered this and they keep on registered. The under class 16 don't even go there. Now, let's say I come in, I want to expand love and 8. You want to love and 8 like this. You're going to wait for this to come up if it shows something. So we are still on the trademark here. We're going to the next website, which some people use too much. It's called UPTSO. Yes, USPTO. Okay, USPTO. That's the American database for trademark stuff. So you can see United States Patent and Trademark Office. Well, we'll be visiting the website while we wait for this to load. So I'm going to hit on search. You see my name, hit on search. Search. Okay. Okay, it's out. Now you can see we have I love, I ate it, love X8. No one has used and this sign here. Love and 8 has been used. You see, class 16. It's a no area. You can't use that word on anywhere, especially on Amazon, because immediately you do that, your book will be terminated. Now we've done that. Let's still try this on this side. We're coming straight to display. We're going to search on this engine. We're going to hit on love again and hit on enter. Now it's going to come up and let's see the search result we get. Sometimes it's voluminous depending on what comes up. If it does not come, we're going to come in here and hit love again and hit on search. We're going to have many results. You said we should narrow your search and some stuff. Almost 2018 result. We have love brain. Okay, I don't know. It depends on what we search. Okay, let's see what we happening. Let's see what happening. I'm not getting the best thing I want. Let's see on trademark and see search trademark. Let's see, maybe that's the best way we can go about this. Okay, tmsearch.uspto.com. Okay, it seems this is where the magic happens. So let's hit on love and 8. So we have to just check on trademark and search for trademark. Hit on search. Let's see how many results. The live. Okay, we have a lot of one. We have on the word mark. Word mark is a combination of two words. It's called word mark. You can see love 8. This is dead. Anything dead, you can write on it. But if it is pending and if it is live, you can't write on it. Yes. If it is live, if it is dead and it's on class 16, you can write on it because it's dead. But if it is pending, please don't write on it. We're going to move on and see this class 14, dead. Class 43, you can see this one is dead. Love and 8, you can see this is 41. We're trying to move faster and see if we get something meaningful. Now you can see this website has a lot of searches, but I think it has its own loopholes. Yes, it doesn't give you that energy that the other one gives you, because the other one tends to bring the one that are alive. You have to start checking all these pages one after the other. But with this, you can just scroll through faster and you get a faster result. So which one does not have, let's say love, you want to write something and something like, okay, some said Elon Musk is trademarked. Let's see if it's trademarked. We're just finding something that is very totally different that doesn't have. So someone will ask me, can I write about Elon Musk? I say, oh, I really don't know. Now you can see Elon Musk, dead and abandoned, class 25, dead and abandoned, dead. This class 16 is dead. It means you can write about Elon Musk. Yes. So let's come to Facebook and see if this word is trademarked. Finally, so Facebook is going to come up and we're good to go and some other stuff, and let's see what happens on this. All right, it won't take much time. Now you can see Facebook class 9, 35 is trademarked, 45 is trademarked. What I'm looking for is 16. You see 16, that means we can write about Facebook as a book. Yes. So I believe you now understand how all this thing works. I know you're happy right now, right? So all you have to do is to hit on the subscription. Just subscribe to my channel and support this movement as well. And don't forget to hit on the notification bell. Share this with your friends. Like this video on the comment section. Drop the best comment to appreciate me for this. And I'll get back to you. If you face any challenges, send message on my DM. Call me and I will take your call anytime, any day. Chat me on WhatsApp and I am there for you. Thank you for watching and thank you for your time. I believe this is helpful. All right. So that's everything about the trademark. You can come to this website. Just scroll up, check for the one that is alive and check for the one that is dead, and you won't be facing any challenge. You can come to the second website as well. As you can see, USPTO, come straight to trademark and hit on search trademark and you are good to go. I don't know what's patent. I don't know what is, you already know what is copyright. Those are two different words. All right, bye for now.